I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from exercise 2.2 inverse trigonometry functions, that is chapter 2 of NCERT 12 Maths. Question number 19 is equal to cos inverse in bracket cos 7 pi over 6 bracket close is equal to. Here 4 options are given. First option is A 7 pi by 6, B 5 pi by 6, C pi by 3, D pi by 6. 4 options are there. Out of these 4 options, one option is correct. You have to determine by solving question number 19 which option is correct. Let us see how this question will be solved. Solution equal to, here you can see it is given that cos inverse in bracket cos 7 pi over 6. Here you can see cos inverse in bracket cos. Here cos inverse is there, here cos is there. So if cos inverse cos 7 pi over 6 will become 7 pi by 6, heat and trial method, cos inverse cos. Here cos inverse can be written as 1 over cos and this cos. Cos will be cancelled out. You will get 7 pi over 6. So 7 pi over 6, that will be belong to where you have to determine 7 pi by 6 belong to closed interval range of cos inverse. What is the range of cos inverse? The range of cos inverse is closed interval 0, pi closed interval. So you have to determine whether 7 pi over 6 belong to closed interval 0, pi closed interval. If 7 pi over 6 belong to closed interval 0, pi closed interval, then cos inverse in bracket cos 7 pi over 6 will be equal to 7 pi by 6. Let us see. So here if you say pi this one, the pi means 180 degree. Here you can write imply that this will become 7 into 180 degree over 6 belong to, because pi equal to 180 degree. Either 7 will multiply to 180 degree over 6 belong to here 0, here 180 degree. Here 180 degree. So you have to determine, imply that here you will get 180 will be divided by 6, comes out to be 30. So 7 into 30, because 180 will be divided by 6, comes out to 30. 7 will multiply, belong to closed interval 0, 180. You have to determine. So here we will get 7 3 are 21. 210 belong to 0, 180 degree. So here you can see 210 not belong to 0, 180 degree. Here 210 not belong to closed interval 0, 180 degree closed interval. Because 280 degree, 210 will not lie between 0 and 180 degree. 210 will lie beyond 180 degree, because here close interval is there after 180 degree close interval is there. So up to 180 degree it will be okay. But here 210 is lying beyond 180 degree. That's why 210 not belong to close interval 0, 180 degree close interval. That's why this is not possible. So this will be cancelled out. This will be the cancelled out. Let us try next. Next, if you see here pi by 3. The pi by 3 option A is not correct, because 7 pi over 6 is not belong to closed interval 0, 180 degree closed interval. It is lying beyond 180 degree. That's why option A is not correct. Now let us see this one option. Pi by 3. Pi by 3 means pi by 3. Here you can locate pi by 3. So pi by 3 means 180 over 3 equal to 60 degree. So here you have to determine whether 60 degree pi by 3 will be answer of this one or not. But here you have to get the solution of cos inverse cos 7 pi over 6. You have to get the solution. And now come out to solution here. Here I shall write cos inverse cos 7 pi over 6. This is the question. So here you can do equal to cos inverse, open here curly bracket, here write cos, open here circle bracket. Here you can see 7 pi is. If you put here 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6, here you can see 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6. If you do the operation here, 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6, it will become 2 pi over 1 minus 5 pi over 6. Take LCM of 1 and 6, you will get LCM 6. Take LCM of 1 and 6, you will get here 6. And here 1 will multiply to 6, it will become 6. And 2 will multiply to 6, it will become 6 to the 12. 12 pi minus 5 pi comes out to be 12 pi minus 5 pi comes out to be 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 you have got. 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6 comes out to be 7 pi by 6. This is okay. Now what we'll do here? Here you can write very well cos inverse in curly bracket cos. Here you can see this is the formula. Formula is cos n pi minus theta comes out to be cos minus theta equal to cos theta, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 natural number, 6 and so on. This is the formula. Cos in bracket n pi minus theta bracket close equal to n pi will be eliminated. So we will get cos in bracket minus theta bracket close equal to cos theta it will become, where n is a natural number. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. n is the natural number. So on the pattern of this formula, you can write here cos inverse, open here curly bracket cos, in bracket you can write minus 5 pi by 6, bracket close, curly bracket close. Now here you can write cos inverse, here you can see this formula, cos in bracket minus theta, cos in bracket minus theta, bracket close, it into cos theta it will become. Here cos in bracket minus 5 by 6, bracket close, it will become bracket में cos 5 pi by 6 it will become. So here you have got cos inverse, bracket में cos pi by 6. Here you can see cos, bracket में minus 5 pi by 6, bracket close, comes out to be cos 5 pi by 6. Under pattern of this formula, cos minus theta equal to cos theta. So what to do? This will become 5 pi by 6, cos inverse in bracket cos 5 pi by 6 comes out to be 5 pi by 6, when 5 pi by 6 belong to close interval 0, pi close interval. You have to judge whether 5 pi by 6 belong to close interval 0, pi close interval. So here you can see 5 by 6, the 5 by 6, 5 pi by 6, 5 into 180 over 6 comes out to 30 degree equal to 150 degree. So this will become 150 degree. Here you can write 150 degree. 150 degree will be belong to 0, 180 degree. It is clear that 150 degree will lie between 0 and 180 degree. That's why cos inverse cos 5 pi by 6 equal to 5 pi by 6 it will become. The answer B will be the correct answer. So here you can write answer equal to B, 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 will be the correct answer. This is the complete solution of question number 19, equal to cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 bracket close is equal to, here option B is correct, 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6, option B, 5 pi by 6, option B will be the correct answer. These are the concept and formula you can cross. This is the rough work, you can cross very well. This is also rough work, you can cross very well. Original question will start from here. This is the complete solution of question number 19, equal to cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 is equal to option B, 5 pi by 6. Answer B is the correct. 5 pi by 6 will be the correct answer.